Car service centers have been considered a workplace for men, but at Rolls-Royce Auto Services, women are 15% of the labor force and has considerable positions within the top management. I'm happy and proud to be part of an organization where we women have a voice and are encouraged and empowered every day. Diversity is power, and equality is our secret recipe for success. Finally, I would like to thank all the women leaders who shaped the businesswoman I am today, as well all the supporting men in my life, who for me are a backbone and support system. Happy Women's Day to all the strong women out there.